Let's go again. 3, 2, 1, action. Hey guys, welcome to the Plug Podcast. I'm Chad Moses.
And I'm Lerato Moses.
This week we're going to be discussing a popular YouTuber by the name of Reggie Mohlabi. Reggie Mohlabi is well known for being, or rather, he's more popular for being on the group called
TheBoyzrsa.
Part of the group called TheBoyzrsa.
Yeah.
Which is which consists of 6 young gentlemen. I don't know all their names, but we're just discussing this one specifically, and his name is Reggie.
Yeah.
Like
you just said. Yeah. It's Reggie Mohlabi. TheBoyzrsa actually has an amount of 250 subscribers, and Reggie alone started in 2021 for 140. He has accumulated 143,000 subscribers on Reggie Mohlabi, and then on Reggie Mohlabi vlogs he has 38,000 subscribers on Reggie vlogs.
I know to right there, I can see them.
Yeah, so, and then on the TheBoyzrsa, they started first off as that, and then they all pivoted onto their own channels.
Yeah.
So they started in 2019. Reggie started his own channel in 2021.
Yes.
And right now he's currently doing pranks, vlogs.
Vlogs. What else?
Pranks.
Hold on. Does Reggie have a niche?
Nah, I don't. Do any of these YouTubers have niches?
Actually, at the end of the day, we're just having a discussion, and you guys are privy to what we talk about as much as we're giving you information.
So, Reggie's just been out here.
How old is Reggie?
I think Reggie's 21, 20. Yeah, he's 21, 20. He's doing quite well for himself, digital wise as well. It's not that he's. It's not that his vlogs or anything is bad. There's quality. You can watch them.
Reggie, he's got decent sound. He's got good edits. Very interesting personality to watch. He shakes a lot when he speaks. He's young.
Yeah, and he knows there's so much energy in Reggie that he needs to share it the whole time.
Shake, sometimes he vibrates. Pay attention to when he speaks in the vlog. A lot of movement with Reggie. As far as success goes, I saw that he collaborated with Reynolds.
And Coca-Cola. His brands are very he knows how to keep his brands clean. And what else do you know about him?
What else is there about him? He keeps relatively from what I watched on his channel, there's not a lot of fluff. He keeps his brand clean. You don't necessarily find him in you don't see him doing smash or passion stuff like KO.
Actually, he did Tinder. But that's just Tinder stuff. He's very kids format.
Very child orientated.
Yeah.
And that's not a bad thing.
It's kind of nice.
It brings a lot of attention his way, and it keeps the brand clean, which just allows him to get good sponsorships and stuff.
True.
One of the pranks that I did was the fake tattoo and the pet snake prank. Those pranks were hilarious to watch. If you haven't seen him, go and watch them.
The link is in the description to his channel.
It's always in the description. What else is there that we can mention about Reggie Mohlabi that people would actually enjoy? We don't want to necessarily have a blank moment here, but when we mention pranks and when we mention
vlogs,
that basically covers who he is as a YouTuber.
Yeah.
He has mukbangs with his friends sometimes.
Yeah, and they do a lot of challenges on TheBoyzrsa.
Blog TheBoyzrsa, yeah. But TheBoyzrsa they never posted in such a long time.
No, they have actually.
It was only in recent times that they started posting. That's what I'm saying.
Oh yeah, okay, yeah. They have a different identity now that you see.
No.
Hold on, let me just show my brother that.
No, you don't have to show me. You show me afterwards. But their brand identity has changed. Okay.
Yeah, the way the channel looks.
Yeah, I can check on my side. I'm closer.
Okay, you can check TheBoyzrsa. So they've changed it. I think it was red. Yeah. Their profile picture was red. The banner was red. So they changed it to a more friendly colors. Yeah. When I mean your primary colors.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So then there's the 6 of them on their header, and the whole page looks really nice and clean and put together. They're also doing their own things.
Marketing.
So, those are also good. So the 6 guys, I hope I name all of them, is Luyanda. Yes. It's Flux.
Oh, I see.
You see what I mean?
Yeah, I see it's changed.
Exactly. It's a baby blue.
Yeah,
the same as the boys.
The same as the boys.
Exact same as The Boys.
Cool.
It's cool.
But
Yeah.
this is like hip hop, graffiti, ish writing. I don't know if I said hip hop, but like
It's cartoonish.
yeah, cartoonish, graffiti. Like, are you saying cartoonish?
Cause go into the page.
Yeah. Oh.
You see. Yeah, Chad will show the
No, the banner looks nice.
right.
I should rage.
Reggie's always that one. All of the guys.
No, I like the it looks nice. 284 subscribers on The Boys. But we mentioned this like in the previous episode in any case.
Yeah.
Okay.
Where was I? I was talking about
how it looks like, the primary colors.
yeah, and then also that their names. So it's Flux.
Yeah.
It's there's two people I'm not gonna be able to name. I know there's Oratile. Is it Orat? Please correct me if I'm wrong. And then there's Flux.
Yeah.
You know what? Let's
in
just
the description, in the about section,
Okay.
there's nothing about their names. It just says description. Listen here, dude. We're just trying to make you smile. But it doesn't consist of who the members are of The Boys, which is something that I would like to see as like a videographer and like someone who does modeling. What if one of these guys in this channel is like who I want to go and use for a campaign or something?
By the way, also
I can come to the YouTube channel and I can find out their names. As much as they have Instagram, I think that this would also be a nice way for me to find out who they are. What if I'm not an IG like that?
Also, what if you don't want to just click on on one of the videos in order to just see where their names? You could just go to the description and then click one of their Instagram things and then you know. But obviously, if you are 2000 or a millennial, you'll be able to deep dive.
Yeah. So it's Reggie, Maps.
Yeah, Maps.
Flux.
Yeah.
Those are the only three. Those are the only two people who I can see pop up in the description.
Besides Reggie.
Besides Reggie himself. Is Reggie like the
main
like the Justin Timberlake of the group?
He is the Zayn Malik. Is it Zayn?
Yeah, but Zayn Malik is like the Justin Timberlake of their group.
Yeah.
Okay. You've met Reggie, haven't you?
I have met Reggie. He's a
How
nice
is he in
guy.
person?
He's a nice guy. A lot of energy.
So I was right by saying he's in
He has a lot of energy. He's nice to be around. Sometimes it's like, yo, dude, you have a lot of energy, dude. What are you gonna do?
Like, calm down.
What are you gonna do next? Always on his feet, always on the next thing. Which is kind of cool because he's young, and you obviously when you're young, you're always gonna be on the next thing. What's next? You know? So it's nice. Good energy, good vibes.
Good content.
From Reggie.
Good content. His vlogs are nice.
There's nothing to complain about.
Nothing to complain about. I saw him prank one of his other friends where like they stole, I think, like iPhone cables and stuff in the house, and it got like quite serious. I think he was with Tata Rampedi in that video. I'm not sure. But it got quite serious and they had to like give back the things. But it was interesting to watch him grow as a YouTuber on YouTube. I feel that he's gonna reach a level where he be not. I don't want to put things into the universe that he doesn't necessarily want for himself. I don't want to say it's gonna be Mr. Beast because we believe Tumisho is gonna be
Mr. Beast. Yeah.
But I do think like David Dobrik
vibes, right?
I do think like David Dobrik, he could be in that David category because he's got a group of friends and David has a group of homies. We start to do it. So from like group of friends, you could build out like the vlog squad. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But also in essence, because Reggie collaborates with so many other YouTubers like Ghost Luby, KO in the Cut, KO in the...
What?
Yeah. Because he collaborates with all of these YouTubers, they themselves also like act as the vlog squad. But that was like Reggie Mohlabi.
And Reggie's yeah.
Yeah, he's young and he's gonna get to a point where his stuff outdoes most of this. And he seems like he pays very much attention to
what's next.
Yeah, what's next and like the quality of the content that he tries to pump out for people. He's a very, and from your description, a very energetic human being. And it's good. It's positive.
You need a lot of energy for content creation.
Yeah, you do.
And he has it.
He does have it.
Sometimes he has to shake it off.
He does. He shakes it out. Shout out to Reggie. Shout out to the boys.
Yeah, the boys doing well. Also, he's collabed with a lot, like you said. Just Daddy G.
Oh, I thought you were talking about like brand deals. Yeah. Sasha Dominikov.
Who else? Like, he's collabed with a lot of people.
They all know each other. Everyone knows each other.
A lot of people he's collabed.
Collaborations is important. Little Wizzy.
and she. Yeah, so that's it. Like,
that's about it.
Reggie, if you wanna,
the best way to describe Reggie is for you just to go watch.
Yeah.
Because what myself and Lerato have picked up, when it comes to YouTube currently, besides certain outliers, once again, like to Misho, there isn't necessarily much that you can discuss about certain YouTubers. The reason they're on this list is because we see something within them and within their editing style and within their creation style that is interesting to us.
Yeah, that's why we mention them.
Yeah. So best way for you to know about them, go watch the video.
Yeah.
That's about it.
And it doesn't really have a niche as
there
yet.
There isn't any niche as yet. For real, there is no niche as
yet. Be there for the long run.
Yeah.
That's what we're trying to say. Yeah. The end goal for Reggie is...
long. He's playing the long game.
It's a long game. It's not...
Tomorrow morning I'm out. Got an M4.
Like and subscribe.
His link is in the bio.
Yeah.
Description. Description. I keep on thinking IG. Description.
Link is in the bio. In the description.
You know what would be cool is if we actually put like the links to their stuff in like our Instagram bio sometimes.
That would be so cool. Also,
if it would actually be whack because we want them to come to our channel. Because now why someone clicks on our stuff but this would be like the person who will be tagged for the week type of situation. We're discussing this YouTuber for the week. Let us know about that as well.
That's actually a good idea.
Good idea. Okay.
Yeah. Like and subscribe. Comment if you like this video. Reggie, you better like this video.
Yeah, Reggie,
and comment or what you think about this video. And if there was any slander.
No slander. Never slander.
Positive vibes.
Vibes, only Reg.
And share, please.
Share, please.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
KO in the what?
You've been plugged.